Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're doing good. On my side, I'm not doing that good. I have a cold, as you can see here. Yeah, but we move on regardless. So anyway, welcome to my channel. My name is Agatha. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to the family. So in today's video, I want us to do some clean and organizing my kitchen. It looks like a mess, so I want to clean with you, plus insert some motion sensors lights, and do some little grocery haul, plus refill the things that zimeisha. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my social handles. They are all Agatha Mueni, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. So without further ado, let's start cleaning. Let me show you first how the kitchen looks like, then we start the journey together. So this is the current situation. Nilizima fridge cause it's empty. It has some little, so the ice cream and maziwa niliona niziweke kwa maji ndio isiharibike. So we are going to remove all these, rearrange the cabinets. You see. So I want to show you what the place looks like. Then there's some spices, they're everywhere. The cooker pia inakaa venye inataka. I want to rearrange all these cabinets. So and this is my tripod. So that's how my kitchen is looking like. So I want to clean, reorganize and rearrange everything with you guys. So let's start this thing. the progress. I've decided to put the shopping zenye hazijafunguliwa here. Then these are some of cleaning stuffs and stuffs that I use daily, like this. So I've decided to put it at a lower shelf for easy access. Yeah, so these stuffs used to be down there, so nimezitoa hapo. I want to put the sufurias there so that the cooking pot and the cutleries and yeah zikwe close together, because initially the sufurias are down here. So nataka kuzitoa hapo, then see if I can sort these stuffs here zingie hapa chini, then hapa hivi nekele the eggs and milk here. Like I want to ease access the things that I use daily. So this is how the first shelf looks like. So this is done. When I do the haul, I'm going to add the stuffs here. So I'll unpack with you guys. So here's how my little spice stuffs looks like. So let's go to the other wardrobe. kitchen. Now it's time for me to take a shower, then take you guys with me to do some shopping haul, come place them where they're supposed to be, cook supper, and end the vlog. So let's take a shower. So I've already dressed up. This is the outfit. So let's go do some shopping.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
This is how the box looks like. So this is what is inside. This is the motion sensor. It has the warm light and the normal white. So this is how that's the warm light, that's the white. Then at the back, this is where you place the glue. So it has a glue and a magnet. I'm going to show you in a sec. Then if you don't want to stick it, you want to hang it at a place, this is the hook that you use. It has a charger cable. Then this is the glue. So let's stick it here, then stick it under the wardrobe. So I'm going to remove this sticker yenye iko juu. The sticker, even ndio glue yake inakaa, so you place it there. Then this is the magnet part, so make sure you stick this well, yeah, like so. So let's remove this one as well. So let's stick it. So I want to place it here. So this is what I'm going to do. Then light it. So I have one here. Then I have another one here. Now let's place the last one. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.